it is the collective decision of the party high command. I am a loyal party of the soldier. Whatever decision taken by the party high command, views were expressed, views were taken, and that decision was conveyed to us that there was a new president in the form of Girish.
So you were consulted?
Everyone was consulted, not only me. And this was consultation process for more than a year. Elected representative and senior Congress leaders were consulted.
So
Let us not basically, Amit Patkar could be given another major role, another major responsibility.
So you are firmly behind Girish Chodankar?
I am firmly behind a decision taken by the party. We are shortly to form a Goa Rakan Yatra, which we are going in all 40 constituencies. Never in the history will such a yatra has been done in the state of Goa. We will win 27 seats of the Congress, and the united opposition will cross 27 plus in a big number. The BJP will be into a single digit. Finally, grand opposition alliance is the need of the hour.
विजय बाब सरदेसाय याच कदेलाचेर बशिल्ले 2 विका पयलीं. तांणी सांगले की ते मर्ज करपा तयार आशिल्ले गोवा फॉरवर्ड काँग्रेसी भितर काँग्रेस दारच उगडना म्हण.
Vijai Sardesai is a senior leader, been MLA so many times. His focus is to defeat the BJP. Our focus is to defeat the BJP. So definitely if the focus is to defeat the BJP has to go home.
पण आज जेन्ना आमी पळयतात ज्या तरेन गोवा फॉरवर्ड चल्ला ते तुमचे बरोबर आसा अशें कांय दिसना आमकां.
सो कोण
प्रत्येक कडेन ब्लॉक आपल्याले कमिटी डिक्लेअर करपा लागले. तांणी इंडक्शन स्टार्ट केली.
MGP BJP बरा आहा दिसता तुका.
तुम तांगे घरा कित्याक वता? तुम म्हाका तुमगे घराचे विचारले की म्हाका शेजाराचे बोट दाखयता.
तेंगेले घराचे पयली चोवपा जाय कितें जाता ते. आमगे घरा आम सारकी आहाय. एवरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी can go to all the 40 constituencies. They can grow. That is their right. ज्या BJPच्या विरुद्ध, जे reservation विरुद्ध, ज्या लोकांक फोटो येला या BJPन, हेज विरुद्ध, their own MLAs will revolt. I tell this to you today.
And you will give them tickets?
There will be, see, the criteria for the Congress party is that we are not going to give defectors tickets.
Even BJP defectors.
I'm not going to tell you.
Even BJP defectors.
No defector.
No defector.
No defector.
BJP defector or a Congress defector?
So I said defector.
Yeah.
That is a broad spectrum.
Definition of
broad
defector.
Spectrum.
Yeah.
Broad spectrum.